Okay guys, welcome back to another one here on the channel. Today we are, well, firstly, I'm ill. We're here in my B6 Passat, so like a 2009 Passat, and we're going to install Apple CarPlay. Now, before you all ask, like, what's the link to it, I bought it second hand off my friend, so I don't actually know what it is in specific. I don't even know if it works, but it's like a new, like, it's got like the new like trim on it, but like it's like a Chinese version, and the screen is supposed to have Apple CarPlay. We've got all the wires here. He literally took it out of his Passat, so I don't know how it would come for you, but mine should be plug and play compared to the standard one. From what I understand, we've got to take off this trim around the edge, and there's the 4 screws. Take it out, put it back in. Should be quite straightforward, and then we'll see if it actually works. With the Passat, you can plug it in here to play your songs, or you could have something like this to put your phone on charge, but you can't do both at the same time. So now, I think this is a wireless Apple CarPlay. Again, I don't actually know what I've bought, but if it is wireless, I can play my songs and have my phone on charge at the same time. First world problems, but let's get off this trim, and hopefully you enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe. We're doing some stuff on the Passat. I love this car. Obviously the Clio, that's other stuff. We're going to put Apple CarPlay on that, but this car, my everyday car, yes, let's crack on. Right, that was literally the easiest thing ever. Just got this, pried it in each corner, and then this come off. It is plugged in because you've got like the airbag light. I'm gonna try and keep it there because it's not really, yeah, it's fine there, not really in my way. Then I don't have to unplug it. And we've got 4 Torx screws, potentially a T20. I'll go grab a T20, and if it's out, it was a T20. All the screws are now out, and in theory, yes, there we go. So we got I'm gonna need 2 hands, but we've essentially got to unplug this one. It looks like this one should be plug and play, and as I said, it came off of a Passat, so I'm hoping it's quite straightforward. But let's make some room because that was quite heavy, and let's give it a go. So this one just slid off, and this one, there's like a hook on it. You undo the hook, and then it just slides off. Let's get this one in. I'll show you any problems. Pretty straightforward. Bet I'll run it into some problems. Right, I haven't bolted it in, but I've plugged it in, and it's hard to tell because like, we don't really get radio service here. I won't use the radio either way, but right, let's have a look. I'll connect to my phone and we'll see what happens. All right, we are trying to connect to my phone. Let's refresh it. It's not working. Results. Oh, it is. I'm there. It is. Well, it's. Wait. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, it actually works. Well, we can connect Bluetooth. Does it have CarPlay? This is the question. Right, I'm here. Tom's 13 Pro. If I go into media, setup, Bluetooth, I don't know what's going on. I'll be back in a second. Right, 100% the Bluetooth works, so it's progress. It's definitely an improvement from the standard car. Then obviously I can still charge my phone and everything. I just really want to get this CarPlay to work. So if it even has CarPlay, I've just asked him, has it actually got CarPlay? I might have to plug it in. Should we try that? I'll plug it in. See? Connecting through Apple CarPlay. The device can no longer be used as a source in media. Let me turn it down before I get a copyright strike. Oh, it works! Oh my god! Alright, it's wired, which is not what I wanted, but it actually charges my phone. So it's a win-win. We can pay for our parking. Oh, just showing you where I live. And we can go into Volkswagen. Oh, heaven. That is a really small screen. It's actually quite funny, but oh boys, we've installed Apple CarPlay in the Passat. Hopefully you have enjoyed. If you have, leave a like and subscribe. It wasn't actually that complicated. I always make things more complicated than they're supposed to be. Hopefully I'll see you again. Cheers.